hair on my head. It's a Saturday. I'm at home alone today because Hakeem has a work event. You'd have also seen that I big chopped. So let me be honest. I have a little bit of regret with big chopping because, for full disclosure, full transparency, I big chopped when I was like working off of like 2 hours of sleep and I was on medication. I probably shouldn't have done that. So for future, if you plan to big chop, don't big chop when you are functioning on like 2 hours of sleep, because you will end up in a situation like this where you have no hair on your head. I feel like the first chop I did, which was a good length, but afterward I don't know what took me, something flapping on my head. I kept cutting. I didn't stop cutting. Now I am stuck with having to use a lot of gel, a lot of products to kind of get it to slip back enough. Saving grace is that the plan still stands. I plan to keep my hair in braid. It takes time for me to braid my hair, and then I also don't want to braid my hair too soon because I don't want to be in a position where it gets stale before my trip, which is in a couple of weeks. But I have a project. I have 2 projects that I need to do. Number 1, I need to paint our bathroom. I had some faux paneling, like wallpaper paneling in the bathroom. Ended up hating it, so I ripped that off and I puttied over the little scratches and dents. Keeping up, I haven't had the chance to really prioritize getting that done. So I think today is the day I'm going to get that done. And then number 2, I need to do something about this bare wall in our living room. It's driving me crazy, and for the past week or so, I've been looking for this design that I had bought on Amazon long time now, for a long time to buy it, and I still hadn't put it up because we were trying to figure out what we're gonna do. But I think it's time, like a full-on stencil thing, and it's gonna be linked in our Amazon storefront for sure, but I'm gonna put it up. The most annoying thing though is that there's this little strip of plastic that covers some wires that lead from an electrical socket down, because they didn't wire the place properly to accept the AC, so we had to move where the AC unit would have been. Anyway, so there's a strip in the middle of the wall that annoys me so much. So I need to figure out how I'm going to be laying out the map. I need to do it strategically so that it doesn't look too obvious that this is not supposed to be there. It's a little faux pas design wise. However, hopefully the map of the world will be nice and I can probably space out a little bit. Yeah, that's pretty much my plan for today. Put up some world map, wash some dishes, that type of stuff, and yeah, just keep on watching.
Something on the feisty, when a promise can repico fruity fire and ice man, you knows my heart, the man is morphing, hold to BBA. In the crackle of the vinyl, in the hum along with fire, a symphony in slumber as the stars climb higher. The city's whisper soft and under the lunar show in the lo-fi symphony. My weary thoughts let go, riding on a sample, a soothing sleepy phrase. The world outside can't touch me in this ambient maze. I have close to feel the pulse in this midnight escape.
I am back to this section of the living room. So as I said, this is the wall. My biggest thing right now is because this wall is so bare and empty. I had envisioned doing like a French inspired type of, what is it called again, where you do you know when you oh gosh, I'm gonna find the name of it and I will put it on the screen right here so you know what I'm talking about, and maybe put a picture. So I was thinking to do that out here, but for this wall here I really want to put up the map of the world, and I think that's totally us. That's totally our vibe because we are travelers, we love to travel, and it's just going to be cute to have that up on the wall out here. It comes with the 3-part stencil, so what I'm going to do is just line it up as best as I can, and you tape it up, and then what you do is like you peel and add each part that is appropriately numbered. So it's supposed to make it easy enough to be done, and foolproof in a way. So you see each of these, like this is one layer of it, and it has numbers on it. So it's 60, 96 or 69, I guess that is. So different pieces, and even these really super tiny pieces that are here as well. Let's just get it done, right? Guys, just a quick check-in. I put up the stencil, but now I'm realizing that it's a little bit like this. As I said, there's more wall on that side, so I'm worried about it being centered. There's a plane that's supposed to be right here, but if I do it in a way that brings it all over, this part of it may not be too much far over, if you get what I'm saying, right? All right, I think that's what I'm gonna do, because it's not centered. I don't know. Am I piece of this stick? Oh, but this part needs to be connected with that part, Which state is that up there? So I don't even know. No, that's not a state, that's a country. Sorry, states would be connected. Whatever is up here is not a state. Guys, so so what I did, I moved it over a little more, so it won't fully cover the part in the middle there that I hate, but it will connect that country up at the top. So what you do is you remove the piece from the stencil, just showing you. So you remove number 73, which is what we're starting with, because that's a connecting piece. So I think I'm actually going to start with connecting pieces first. That would probably be a better. Yeah, just need to line it up. Yeah, like that. All right, so I actually need to tear off. I think, I can probably use my tweezer. Where is the tweezer though? I'm worried about the wall being sticky enough. Just tear off. It's so crazy when you're filming these types of videos. It feels like forever and an eternity when you're doing it. But you guys are gonna watch this and it's gonna feel like 5 minutes because I'm gonna cut out the footage. But yeah, we can stay. All right, it's gonna look good. One country down, 90. Oh, how much? A good amount left to go. So guys, I have my sandpaper and I'm now in the bathroom. I'm getting a late start on this. Oh god, I need to stand up. Luna, you can't be right here now. I'm gonna stand. Okay, so I'm trying to sand this down. Maybe I should tear this in half so it's easier to use. guys, this is the finished product. It took me, today is now Tuesday. My biggest task has been stripping off the brown paper backing that's protecting the black. You have to use I've been using tweezers to like nick a piece and then rip it off. So I've been doing it bit by bit. It's still not finished, but today I'm hoping to finish tearing off the rest of this. Not right now, but I just wanted to show you guys. So this is the finished product. I have it in my Amazon storefront on the travel stuff, so you can go ahead and take a look. I try to do weekly vlogs again, like each week, but I find that my strategy of just recording every single time so that I'm never without footage kind of confuses me, because then I'm like, when does a week start, when does a week end, and I'm kind of stuck stamping the dates for each day. But I think editing Kim, future me, this is the end of this vlog. I'm gonna pick back up on Sunday to start a new vlog, or no, Saturday. I think I'm gonna start back up on Saturday because I'm gonna braid my hair. My phone is ringing, my work phone is ringing. 1 second, guys.
But I'm thinking, you know, if we could just make it by 10 o'clock, would that be okay?
The rest of the week we wouldn't have any other sandals, so we have to be today. Work has stressed me out because I'm trying to figure out something that needs to be sent out. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I have a full day ahead of me. I think I'm gonna make some breakfast. I think I'm gonna make like banana pancakes or something like that. Subscribe if you're watching this far and you haven't subscribed as yet. Please subscribe. I really appreciate the support. I'm on my way to 2,000 subbies. Every single time I want to do a cute little pack with me type of video. I kind of did a little bit of a packing situation one time when we were going to New York, but it wasn't a full-on packing situation because my packing process is very problematic and very chaotic. So I feel like when we reach our destination, I'll probably do like a look at what I carried or unpack with me, something like that, because then I would have known everything I have in my bag. Because I can't do no pack with me, guys. I really can't. I wish I could. So, yeah, thank you for joining my community, and I really appreciate your support. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next vlog.